Hello everyone! Today I'm going to unbox and review Zhiyun-Tech Smooth-Q. When I bought this device, the price was $139. It is a little bit pricey, but I don't think it's really bad comparing to the other gimbal. As you can see here, they are all Chinese. Our English version was not available when I bought this item. But I think it is okay because it is not very difficult in terms of how to use this. Let's open it and see what are inside. This comes with this soft case, and there is a strap for this case. You can carry it over your shoulder by attaching this one to here and this one to here. Now there is a micro USB cable for charging this device. And let's open this case. The inside materials are really soft, so I think it can protect this gimbal pretty well. The surface of this gimbal is not really great. I think it is just plastic. And this button is for power switch. When you press it, you can see the blue light. And this button is for the focus control. And this one is for different mode. And this is a joystick to move the camera around. The battery is 3400 milliamp hour, and this gives you up to 12 hours of battery life. The good thing about this is that you can charge your cell phone through this USB port while shooting. On the left, actually it's on the right, yes. There is a micro USB port for charging this device. And on the bottom, with this, you can connect this gimbal to a tripod. The width is 16.5 centimeter, and the weight of this gimbal is 450 grams. Also, I heard that you can also attach accessories, which means that you can put on lens, microphones, and so on. I have a Asus Zenfone 3, which is 5.5 inches, and the weight is about 155 grams. Let me put this on this gimbal. And push it to the right. and just push the power button. Balance is done automatically. So you can move up and down with this one. And if you click mode, you can move to the left and right. And if you click the mode again, you can rock the camera in the same positions. One thing you might find annoying is that it is too sensitive to move the camera to the left and the right and up and down. To adjust this sensitivity, you might want to download an app. Go to the App Store and find Zhiyun Assistant. And download this app. It is downloading the app. And open this app. And hit the connect your device here. And for this, the Bluetooth should be on. So as you can see here, the movement is really fast. So in order to adjust it, you can go to the setting here, and the default is 25 and 25 and 45. So I would like to change this to the 7. And then click save. So the name here for me is just 7, and click save. And then go back to the control and remote control here, and then see how it works. Yes, it's very smooth. For me, this is perfect. One more interesting feature of this gimbal is a tracking mode. And first, click the connection here and click available device. And okay, as you can see here, the Android app can show the battery life and pixel axis and lower axis and pan axis. For the tracking mode, go to the camera and change to the video. And click this button. You need to drag the object that you want to follow. Now it is following the product. It is very interesting. A downside of this gimbal is that this is a little bit heavy compared to the others. But if you need to shoot a video very often, and I do not see it is very difficult to carry this item. This is our unboxing and review of Zhiyun-Tech Smooth-Q. Thank you for watching this video.